Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's session, let me go through business reports. A business report can be described as an organized written statement of facts related to business or commercial interest prepared after an investigation and presented to the concerned person with or without recommendation. So what is that? It is described as an organized. So whatever the business reports are going to be formal reports. So formal reports must and should be an organized. And next, what is that business report? Whatever the written statement consists of facts. It includes facts. So that facts related to business or commercial interest. So this report is prepared after an investigation. Yes, after collecting data. Yes, or after observing facts and presented to the concerned persons. Yes, whatever the report is going to be presented to concerned person. So head of the management with or without recommendations. Yes, if recommendations are required, it's whatever the recommendation, if necessary, then the report is presented including recommendations in that. Yes, got it? Next, coming to next. Structure of a formal business report. Coming to the structure of a formal business report. So even you guys know whatever your formal letter format. So it has some structure. Even the same way here, what is that structure? Section 1, section 2 and section 3. Three sections are there. Here, look at here. Structure of a formal business report. In that first section 1, what is that? Front part. What is going to be there? First one, front part, section 1. Section 2, main body. Section 3, back part. Coming to the section 1, front part. First one, what is the title page? This contains the title of the report. Next, the report number, if any, the organization's name, who the report is being submitted to, the report writer's name, and the date of submission. So just let me give an example. Just like your title page of your assignment. You're going to write your college name, your hall ticket, and your what is the title of the assignment, next date of submission, and to whom you have to submit the assignment. So on the starting page, you're going to write what is that? That page is called as title page. Same. Look at here. This contains the title of the report. Yes. Title of the assignment. So in the same way, title of the report and report number, all ticket. Yes. If necessary. College name, your organization name, and date of submission. Yes. And to whom the report or to whom the assignment is being submitted. Next, preface. Optional. This contains the salient features of the report. Next, coming to next point. Letter of transmitter. So what is that? This is a brief cover letter from the report writer stating the purpose of writing the report. It often includes objectives or highlights of the report. What is that? What is that? Brief cover letter from the report writer stating the purpose of writing the report. So it includes objectives or highlights of the report. Yes. Next, coming to next heading, acknowledgements. What is the meaning of acknowledgement? Vote of thanks. This acknowledgement acknowledges the people who helped the report writer while writing or before writing the report. Vote of thanks. So, who helped you guys or who helped the reporter while writing the report or before writing the report? Saying thanks to them. Vote of thanks. Is it clear? Next, table of contents. Coming to table of contents. So, this thing, whatever the table of contents, yes, you guys know this. You guys, because table of contents is the same you're going to see in your textbook. Table of contents. This contains list of heads and subheads in the report with page numbers. Yes. Lesson name with page numbers. Unit name with page numbers. Exactly the same. Next, list of illustrations. What is the next one? List of illustration. So even you guys know about this. This list of tables or graphs or figures used in the report along with the page number. Same, it's like a table of contents, but here graphs, figures, and tables about them with their page numbers. So list of tables or graphs or figures. So it's very easy. Just if you go to this index, so it's easy to find out the graphs or figures. Next, abstract or summary. This presents the overall summary by focusing on the essential information in the report. What is abstract or summary? Overall summary. By focusing on the essential information. Yes, this is whatever you guys know about that summary. Same. It's like that. Focusing on the essential information. So this is about in the section 1, that is should be right in the front part of the report. These are the subheadings. Next, coming to the next second one, section 2, main body. Coming to the main body, first one, introduction. Yes. This introduces the report by providing background information of the report. Yes, what is that? This introduces the report by providing background information. Yes, introduction. You guys know that will be introduction. Before starting a lesson, so introduction part, whatever that is called introduction. In the same way, in the report also introduction should be written, should be present. Next, methodology. This summarizes the methods of data collection and the method of investigation. So this is the methodology. So what's the method? Yes, you have collected the data. So that method should be presented. Methodology. Next, coming to discussion. discussion or description, both are same, or any other suitable title based on the content. Okay, bracket closed. This is the main part of the report. It discusses the problem at length. So it's a description, main part, so it is going to be very lengthy. Present analysis and interpretation of the data and so on. Depending upon the length of this section, it can further be divided into different heads and subheads. It's clear. Next, coming to conclusion. This presents the conclusion of the report based on the data or facts observed. So what is that? Conclusion must and should in the report writing. So conclusion is very important. It presents the conclusion of the report based on the facts or data observed. What are the facts observed? Recommendation, if necessary, they are presented in the report. So what's the use of the recommendations? This provides suggestions, remedies, or ways to solve a problem or improve the situation. Is it clear? Next. So recommendations are very important because if any suggestions, whatever remedies or ways to solve their problem or to improve their present, whatever the scenario. So this recommendation is going to help them. Next, third section, back part. So you guys are aware of this topic, references, appendices. So just to go to your textbook last page, so you're going to have references. Yes, when you open the encyclopedia, Wikipedia of any textbook or anything, just we can go through these references. This presents a list of sources referred to or used in the report. Appendices. This contains questionnaires, enclosures, graphs, and so on. Yes, this is about structure of a formal business report. So what are they? Section 1, front part. Section 2, main body. Section 3, back part. So this is about the structure format. Now, next. How to write a report. Look at here. How to write a report. Some common types of business reports are sales report. Yes, business reports include sales reports, inspection reports, evaluation reports, annual reports, audit reports, progress reports, feasibility reports, and so on. So what are the reports present right now? So we are going to study about feasibility report, evaluation report, and progress reports. Now let us now look closely at examples of three of them. So what are they? Feasibility, progress, and evaluation reports. Next, structure of a feasibility report. Introduction. Purpose of writing the report. So coming to the feasibility report structure, what is going to be? Introduction. Next, body, that is main part. Next, conclusion. These three very important to write a report. Imagine that, look at here, imagine that a hair oil company wants to get into the production of a shampoo. So what is that? A hair oil company. Yes, it's actually running a hair oil company. It wants to get into the production of shampoo right now. The company, whatever the head, he's thinking to just he wants to extend his whatever his business in the field of shampoo production. Before taking a decision, the company would want to study the market conditions. Yes, before to take a step, the company would want to study the present market, whatever the present scenario, and assess the feasibility. So what are the weaknesses, what are the strengths, whatever there in the market should be studied by the company. So what is that? Feasibility, assess the feasibility. What is the meaning of feasibility? Possibilities. Yes, feasibility of entering into shampoo production. Next, it is essential for the report writer to find out answers to certain questions before submitting the report. So before submitting the report, he must answer some answers to some certain questions. So he should know whatever the market scenario. And then only he can write a report and he can submit that report to the managing director. So what is that marketing executive? He prepares this whatever the feasibility report. So actually when a company wants to extend its business, so a report whatever the based on the market scenario, a report is going to be written by a reporter. Who is that reporter? A marketing executive. He prepares this report and submits to managing director. So before submitting the report, he should know the answers to certain questions. So he has to study the market scenario. So whatever the market scenarios of shampoos, so many shampoos are there right now. Head and Shoulder, Clinic Plus, Sunsilk, Mira, Chick Shampoo, Pantene. Yes, the company right now, the hair oil company wants to extend its business to it wants to jump into the shampoo production. So it should study the company would want to study the complete scenario of the shampoo production and whatever the shampoo scenario in the present situation. Next, coming to the groundwork. So before first they have to go to groundwork. Groundwork is very very important to start up a new business. So whatever they should know each and everything, what is going on in the market, what is going on. Yes, everything should be clearly should know. Right now, company wants to get into the production of shampoo. So they should know about the shampoos. Yes, look at here. Groundwork. How many varieties of shampoos are already in the market? Yes. So he wants to introduce or he wants to get into the production of shampoo. So right now he has to whatever the company would want to study about many varieties. How many varieties of shampoos are already? So the company has to know already existed shampoos. What are the varieties of shampoos are present in the market, already present there in the market. Next, what is their price range? 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Based on the size, quantity. So there is going to be price range. Cost. Which are the popular ones among them? Yes, through the public opinion, through the survey, the company can get answers for these questions. So first they have to do all this, yes, groundwork, yes. Next point. What are the reasons for their popularity? Should know the answer, should find the answers for this. What are the reasons for their popularity? Quality, packaging, advertisements, sales network, incentives to customers. Is it clear? Now coming to the next. Studying the market. So first they should go with groundwork. Next coming to this one. Studying with the market. Are people happy with available choices? These are the questions. Should be known by the company. Are people happy? Second question. Are they looking for a new product? Yes, still because the company wants to get into the production of shampoo. So, are there any requirement in the society? What are they looking for any new product? If they are looking, then only they can introduce to the market. Yes. So they should know whether the public opinion, whether the public wants a new product of shampoo. Next, should know their next what kind of product would they welcome. So, what will motivate them to change loyalties, price, new ingredients. So, yes, if they want, then what will motivate them to change? Yes, what are the loyalties? Price, because of the price cost, whatever the price, because of the high cost, or yes, because of the high cost, because of extreme, whatever the cost level, if it is going to be, if it is maximum, then public naturally they look for low cost. Yes, new ingredients. Next, what will be the budget implications for the company? So he wants to just introduce whatever he wants to get into the production of shampoo. So should see the company has to see about its budget. It's very, very important. Actually, money is very, very important for investing in new projects. Next, coming to impact. How will the production of new product affect the budget of the company? Can the company attract experienced personnel? What should be the price? Will it be competitive? So, very look at here. How will the production of new product affect the budget of the company? So, just I discussed that budget is very, very important if they start up any business. So, how it is going to affect their budget? Compulsory budget is very, very important. They have to see if they get loss, yes, they can't bear. Of course, if they get profit, it's well and good. But even they have to see negatives and positives. Next, can the company attract experienced personnel? Yes, compulsory. Experienced only they can do the best. So according to their opinion. So they feel what should be the price. So because price is very important. Next, will it be competitive? So what he has to think. Yes, the company has to think that will it be competitive if we introduce a new product of shampoo, will it is going to be competitive in the society, in the market or not? Yes. Next, Impact 2. Coming to the impact 2, what should the marketing strategy be? So what's the marketing strategy? Next, when and how soon should the company enter the market? So when and how soon should the company enter the market? Very soon or should take some time? Yes, based on the market scenario. So they are going to introduce, they are going to launch their new project or new product in the market. So that has to be referred. Will the new venture be profitable? Is whether it is going to be profitable or not. Next, answers to these questions will become the body of the report. Is it clear? Answers to these questions, whatever the impact 1, impact 2, whatever the groundwork, studying the market. So all those answers, whatever the answers for these questions will become the body of the ledger. The conclusion. What is the conclusion? The conclusion will be a discussion of these answers. So these are the questions in the main body. So whatever the answers, they are going to be a conclusion. Discussion of the answers are going to be a conclusion of the report. Thus, a feasibility report, as the name indicates, analysis a business proposal and evaluates its viability. So what is that? Thus, a feasibility report. So it is also called as possibility report. So what are the possibility ways to introduce a new product in the market? So compulsory possibility should be necessary. As the name indicates, what is the feasibility report? It indicates analysis a business proposal and evaluates its viability. It's clear. So what is that? Here in the structure of feasibility report, introduction. So what are the imagine that a hair oil company wants to get? It comes under introduction. What is the introduction? Purpose of writing the report. So what's the purpose? Here it should be mentioned in the introduction. Next, main body. What is the body? So all the questions are going to be the answers to these questions will become the body of the report. And what are the conclusions drawn from these answers? Going to be a conclusion. So this is about structure of feasibility. Now, look at the sample feasibility report first title page in detail. Look at here. Title page. So already I discussed report number. If necessary, if it's present, it's necessary, then should be mentioned here. So what is that? Report number XYZ. So already I discussed, I compared the title page of the report with your assignment title page. So you're going to write your all together. A feasibility report on entering into shampoo production. Yes. Next. Prepared for. So receivers. The managing director, who is the head of the company. Next. Prepared by marketing executive. Who is he? Head of the salesperson. So, is a marketing executive is a person who manages, who appoints sales salesperson. Yes, salesman and saleswoman. So he is the person who sends all the salesmen and saleswomen to have a survey in the market. So through the survey, he collects data. Facts are going to be observed, and he's going to write a report to it. What is that? To the managing director. It's clear. So this is about the title page, section 1, title page, front part. So everything discussion about section 1. After that, acknowledgement. I thank all my colleagues for extending their support in the preparation of this report. Yes, vote of thanks. I also thank the respondents who answered my questions with patience. Finally, I thank the managing director who gave me an opportunity to present this report. Sweet and short. Saying thanks to them who supported him while writing or before writing the report, and who has gave him what is that who has given him what is that opportunity. Next, table of contents just now completed. Introduction, description, conclusion. So what is that? Already discussed. Next, list of illustration. So figures or graphs or anything with mentioned with page numbers. Now coming to the here they had taken a pie diagram from the percentage of consumption of shampoo in 5 capital cities. Okay, I had a survey in 5 capital cities. Introduction. In today's busy lifestyle, shampoos have become an essential commodity for many people in India. It's compulsory. The earlier practice of applying soap, nuts, or shikakai during hair wash was a time-consuming process. So in those days, they used to apply shikakai. So it is going to be a time-consuming process. So nowadays, they are using whatever the shampoos. Hence, the present generation has gotten used of shampoos. Yes, they are used of what they are using shampoos. In addition, shampoos are available in different combinations, and consumers have a choice to select a shampoo based on their hair condition. So many shampoos are available in the market right now. So based on their hair condition and based on their whatever the money, they are going to buy a shampoo. So number of shampoos are there in the market right now. Yes, based on his hair condition, his or her hair condition, they are going to buy a shampoo. Now coming to discussion or description. Look at here. The survey was conducted on shampoo consumers in 5 state capitals. So survey, who is that managing executive? So he appoints persons to have a survey. They conduct survey. The different brands of shampoos available in these cities are, look at the shampoo's name, Himalayas, Garnier, Sunsilk, Head and Shoulders, Nile, etc. So these are the shampoos. You can write your own shampoos. Is it clear? So many Clinic Place, Pantene, Head and Shoulders, Himalayas, Garnier, Sunsilk, etc. The number of respondents from 5 capital cities is as follows. Look at here. So Hyderabad, look at the graph. Whatever the graph with whatever the page number should be mentioned in the list of illustration. Next, Hyderabad 100, Chennai 100, together 100, Bangalore, New Delhi, Kolkata, and total 500. Yes. Number of respondents. Next, mode of collecting data. A structured questionnaire was administered to the consumer to the consumers randomly, and they were asked to answer the questions given in the questionnaire. Yes, through survey they are going to ask questions given in the questionnaire. Randomly they are going to ask. So whatever that, through survey they go to the public and they are going to draw the answers from their questions to their questions. The responses thus obtained are given in the form of pie diagram. So whatever here, list of illustration, pie diagram expression, what are the data collected is expressed in pie diagram, in the form of pie diagram. Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata. Yes, pie diagram is very easy. You guys know this. Know this. So in the Hyderabad, 50 at Garnier, Himalaya 5%, Sunsilk, Nile 10%, Sunsilk, Head and Shoulders 25%. So this is in Hyderabad. So based on the public opinion, so these are the pie graphs, pie charts they are going to draw. And in Chennai, yes, the same thing. Himalaya, Garnier, Head Shoulders, Sunsilk, Nile. So at last, they have come to one conclusion by through this, whatever the pie chart, they draw a conclusion. So mode of collecting data through public opinion, through survey in the public, yes, they draw answers to their questions in the form of questionnaire. And at last, they are going to have a schematic representation of what is that we call it as pie diagram chart. Based on that, they are going to come to a conclusion. Look at that conclusion. From this, let me complete this. From this pie chart, it is established that consumption of shampoo that promise healthy growth of hair is higher. Yes, it's promise for healthy growth. This chart shows that Nile shampoo occupies the first place. Yes, as it is helpful making hair smooth and also controls hair falls and dandruff to some extent. So why it occupies the first place? Because it's promising whatever the hair fall without dandruff. Yes, so it whatever it is satisfying whatever the Nile shampoo in the market, satisfying the public problems. Next, coming to conclusion. On the basis of the observations of this survey, it is concluded that through many shampoos are available in the market, there is still space for a new product. So what's the conclusion drawn? Still, there is a space for a new product. And thus, this is the right time to introduce in the market to get into the shampoo production. As today's generation is more conscious of hair fall, they are always ready to try new products. Yes, because of hair fall, nowadays they are ready to try a new product. Though 9 shampoos was rated number of in the survey, people were not satisfied in terms of its treatment dandruff. Therefore, we should try to bring out a new product that prevents hair falls and fights against dandruff, as this was found to be one of the main gaps in the existing market. As our company has already established itself in the production of hair oil, marketing, sales and services, the budget required will not be a problem for us. So what they got conclusion, there's still some space is there in the market, so that's the right time for them to introduce a new shampoo in the market. They can launch a new shampoo because still they are not satisfied with whatever the hair fall that. So there is a market, yes. Even if their public is going to accept their whatever the new shampoo, production of new shampoo in the market. And the last appendix on questionnaire. So what is that questionnaire? Name the city you are living in. What shampoo are you using? So these are the questions in the questionnaire. Yes. So these during survey they ask all these questions to the public. Why do you choose it? Yes, they are going to ask about that shampoo and what the purpose for using that shampoo itself. What is the price of the shampoo you are using? About the cost of the shampoo. Is the price right for the product? Just you should ask in the survey, is the price right or wrong? Yes, are you satisfied with that shampoo's price? Are you satisfied with your shampoo price, both price, quality and quantity, everything? Is there any additional quality you would want to see in your shampoo? Still you want to improve? Do you want to see some improvement in your shampoo? Do you want some quality, good quality shampoo? Would you try a new shampoo? Can you try a new shampoo? If yes, what kind of shampoo are you looking for and at what price? If you're yes, if you think yes, then I'm going to like a new shampoo. Yes, well, I would like to try a new product, a new shampoo. So, and what kind of shampoo are you looking for that? And about its price. So these are the questions should be asked to the public in the market. So through the public opinion, whatever the feasibility reports, whatever the through the market study, they are going to write a feasibility report.